Hello there, Foreign Beauties, your girl Euniycemari, and today we're going to be doing a full demo and review of the Pacifica Underarm Deodorant Wipes. I'm so excited because if you see my Ulta haul, I was really excited about the fact that I got my hands on these, and I really couldn't wait to see if they were something that worked in replacement of using actual deodorant. So all about these wipes, there are 30 that come in this pack. And they are underarm deodorant wipes, natural essential oil blend, aluminum free, smell beautiful without the chemicals, without harsh chemicals, 100% vegan, cruelty free, and pretty much directions say apply under arms, reapply as needed, take along with you wherever showering is not an option, and use in lieu of your usual deodorant, not an antiperspirant. Okay, so and this is a coconut milk and essential oils blend. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna dive into this. I showered, okay, I didn't put on anything underneath my arm, no deodorant, no nothing. So this is what the lovely packaging looks like. Okay, 30 in here, and it says that it's effective with odor. I don't have any odor currently, but we'll see as the day goes. So let's open this up. We're gonna take out one wipe. I don't think you use one wipe per arm. I think you can use one wipe for both underarms. I would think you can, because that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe the underarm. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wipe the underarm with the wipe. I don't have on, like I said, any deodorant or anything, so I'm just gonna give it a good wipe. Okay, we're gonna give this a fair chance. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I really wipe this underarm. Okay, no excuses for it not to work. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here to the other side and I'm gonna do the same thing. We're gonna really wipe that underarm. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 11 o'clock. I wonder if, well, I'm gonna come back and show you guys. So I'm just really wiping this underarm down. Okay, we really want to make sure that this works. Okay, so both underarms are wiped. Smells good. There's no weird residue underneath the arm that I like. The cloth, it looks like there's, I don't know, looks like there's probably a little bit of residue underneath on the cloth, because you guys keep in mind too, this is something I'm just going to say really quickly, sometimes when you're cleansing yourself you may not get everything, and that's why other steps of cleansing are important, because you may think you're get everything and then you wipe down your face or something and then you see a bunch of extra stuff. So yeah, you want to make sure that this is actually, you want to make sure that you cleanse properly. But this actually picked up some other things, and the wipe is pretty long. I like that. It's not like a short wipe, like a short makeup wipe that's this size. It's an actual pretty long wipe, so you can actually use one on both arms. It's not wet. My underarm doesn't feel wet or sticky or anything. So far I smell good. My underarm feels good. So we're going to test this out for the entire day. It is currently, what time is it? It is currently 11:24. So I'm gonna go on about my day, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to check in with you guys, just let you guys know how my underarms are smelling and how they are feeling. But my initial, I like it. It's not sticky, it's not wet, it's not anything, and it smells nice. But I did just shower, so that's another thing as well. But let's see how these hold up throughout the day, and if I'm a little by noon or 1 o'clock. So I'll be back. Alright you guys, your girl Eunice back, and I'm going to do a check-in. It is officially like 2:12. So it's been about 2 hours, no, I don't think it made 3 hours yet, but been about 2 hours since I used the deodorant wipes. So I do have on a jacket because I'm cold. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick sniff test. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we smelling good. We're not musty. We're not smelling like a trucker. We're not scaring away any of the kids. And that's really good. Like, I am completely shocked because by now, if I don't have anything on, I would smell. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a couple of hours to see if that changes. But so far, the deodorant wipes have held up. All right, you guys, I am back. It is about 5:30-ish, 5:45-ish. I finished up some editing and things of that sort. So now we're going to do another sniff test. Okay, so let's do some sniffing. And I still have on my jacket. Okay, wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the scent of coconut and like the scent of the actual deodorant wipe is gone, but there's no stank. There's no stank at all, you guys. So this is not going to end here because I didn't really do much today. I mean, I edited, I sat around the house, I cooked, I did some things, but I want to see how this holds up when I go to work. You guys know I do waxing and, you know, I'm constantly moving around and stuff. So I just want to see if this is going to hold up for me on that part of it. So we're going to carry on until tomorrow. I'm going to get up, shower, use the wipe, and go off to work. And I will bring the wipes with me. If I smell a little, then we will, you know, play into the whole of it can be reused again to wipe away any, you know, smell. So far, day one, if you are hanging out, chilling, not doing much at home, not running around, you'll be fine. And I like that. So yeah, so tomorrow I'll be back and we will see how these work for me at work. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, your girl Euniycemari here, and I am off work. I didn't vlog this morning of me using the deodorant wipes. I was running out to work and all that. It is about 3:30-ish, maybe about 3:45-ish. I didn't check the time, but I do know it's somewhere around there. And so I used the wipes this morning underneath my arm, and there is a slight scent of some funkages going on, just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to actually go and apply the wipes again underneath my arm. And then I'm going to sit around, do whatever it is I do. Because I want to see also too, because these wipes, they say like if you need to reapply, you can reapply them underneath the arm and, you know, kind of freshen up. So I want to put that to the test as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the wipes again. I'm going to apply the wipes to underarm and let's see if that helps. All right, so let's go ahead and let's apply it under the arm. And I'm just going to use it like I would use it. Like, let's just say, like, you're just out and about and you're like, oh my gosh, my underarms are not so fresh. What can I do? Let me go and pull out my handy dandy Pacifica wipes and let me just wipe down my underarm. So I'm going to use it just in real life like you would any other day or any other time. And if you guys see yellow underneath my arm, that is from the baking soda of my deodorant. Of course, I didn't use that today, but I've used it before and it kind of stained my undershirt. So yeah, sorry about that. That is like not the most cutest thing in the world, but whatever. So we're just like wiping the underarm area, yada yada yada. Okay, and then so this is what the wipe looks like. Of course, if you guys have not seen it in the first clip, well, you guys probably did, but I'm just gonna show you again. And then let's go ahead and let's do a sniff test. So it does smell better. It doesn't smell like, you know how you smell like you just cleaned, like you just covered up funk. It doesn't smell like that. It actually really does like refresh the skin, and the skin smells, it smells good. It doesn't even smell like there wasn't, hold on. This underarm on this side is kind of questionable. It still has a little bit of a something to it, but I'm gonna wipe it down some more and then we're just gonna sit around, wait, do whatever we do, see how it goes. This underarm is pretty good to go. Sometimes one arm can be a little bit stankier than the other arm. It happens. So yeah, you guys, so let's go ahead and let's see how this goes. So far, I actually really do like this product. And it's a subtle smell. It's not like it's like you know how you just sit there just like, oh, you know, it's not like that. It's just like, okay, let me check. Okay, there's a little bit of something there. So I do like these a lot so far because this lasted me the entire day. I went to work at 8 and it's now 3 and I'm just noticing something, okay? And that's with me wanting to notice it or looking for it, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna chill out and I'm gonna come back to you guys with a final update. Hey. Okay, you guys, so I am back. It is about 6:30ish and we're gonna do a sniff test, okay? So let's do a sniff test. Kind of rewind from the last clip. I got home from work. I was smelling a little bit, you know, just a little something underneath the arms. And so they say you can take the wipes and reuse them to wipe down areas. So I took another wipe, wiped it down again, and I want to see how it worked. So now that we're about 3 hours in of me wearing it, let's take a sniff. Okay. Okay, good. All right, so no stank at all. The actual scent of the wipe is gone. When you first put the wipe on, you can smell the scent of the coconut very, like a lot. You can smell it. It's there. You know it, right? But as you wear it, the scent goes away, like that fragrance, but you don't smell stinky, okay? So you just smell clean underneath the arm. I am shocked. I'm amazed by this because when I first saw deodorant wipes, I was like, haha, like seriously, a wipe for my underarm? You don't really quite believe in it, or you really kind of think like, okay, maybe it's good for like a one-time wear every now and then, but not on a daily consistent basis. And today at work, I mean, I was moving, I was doing my thing, I was moving around like I would on any other regular like busy day or whatnot, and it held up pretty darn good. So I am extremely shocked by these wipes. Now, if you were to ask me, would I repurchase them? Heck yeah, I would repurchase them. I think they are a very easy key tool for me to use in my regimen. Also because if you don't know, my last Schmidt's deodorant, I like to use it, but I like to use it in moderation because that baking soda does irritate my underarms. And I think that the wipes are a great way for me to like, in between those days that I'm like, all right, let me lay back off of the Schmidt's deodorant, I can use that. So I am super duper excited that I got my hands on these wipes. I'm super duper excited that they worked out for me, and I really cannot wait to continue using this. And of course, I'm going to come back with a final video when I finish the packet, just to give you guys more of a detailed review, just in case anything changes up. Like let's say 5 days from now they stop working. That happens with a lot of underarm care. You know, you may use a deodorant for some time, and after a while it's like boop, no more working. Okay, there was something else that I wanted to say. Oh, if you are still using regular deodorant, I don't think these wipes will be for you. The reason why I say that is because they are aluminum free, so you will sweat. Okay, if you have not detoxed your underarms, you're gonna smell all types of nice. You know, I feel like this is the wipe for the person who is already out of the regular deodorant game, that doesn't use regular deodorant consistently, that is more into the natural, that's already detoxed, flushed out and everything. It's another tool for you to use in that natural underarm care, okay? But if you think that if you're gonna go straight from using your regular deodorant one day to using this, it may not work for you. I'm just going to tell you that right now. You may wipe it underneath your arms and be like, what is that in an hour? Because your body has to be used to sweating. It has to get used to like no aluminum, no anything in that underarm area, okay? I will leave all links down below for you guys where to find this. I got mine from Ulta, but I will leave a link down below and all the information where you guys can read upon it. And yes, if you are somebody who is already into transitioning into the natural underarm world, I would really suggest these and you try them out because they work amazing for me so far. And like I said, I will come back when I finish all of the wipes and I will do a follow-up video just to make sure if these continue working for me or if they, day 5, like I'm out, you know, not working anymore, because it happens like that. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl Euniycemari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.